Jamb must repeat this question. There is no juju that Jamb want to use in this question. They must repeat this question. For those that enter one chance while I drop this question, I am going to explain this question to you, break it down to you, and it is time for you to disgrace your village people and come out clean in your Jamb UTME. You are going to come out in flying colors. So lend me your ears, get your pen and your paper. Do not let your village people succeed. Get your pen and paper and jot down everything I say as you go. The question reads, during which stage of mitosis do the chromosomes line up at the equator of the cell? This is so easy. One of the easiest biology questions repeated by Jamb every year in Jamb UTME. The option reads A. Prophase, B. Metaphase, C. Anaphase, D. Telophase. What's the answer? Jamb 2026 candidates, let's quickly find out. And I am going to teach you everything involving cell division, mitosis and meiosis within 10 minutes. Let's head straight into it. So burn your textbook, throw away your textbook, burn your textbook, set fire on your textbook. You need them no more. So let's go straight to the nitty-gritty. So in the PMAT, M stands for metaphase, and that's the second stage. And during this second stage, what occurs? The first occurrence is chromosome line up at the equator, which is the middle of the cell. You know what equator is now? Like in this my box, where is the equator of this box, where you can see my face now on your screen? This box, the equator is the center. That's from here to here. Is the equator of this my box. So the middle is the equator of the cell. So what happens? The chromosome lines up at the equator of the cell, because they are trying to get ready for what is going to occur. And the second occurrence says each chromosome is attached to the spindle fiber at the centromere. So that spindle fiber that is formed, that is going to further aid the breakage of the cell, the chromosome attaches to that spindle fiber, because that spindle fiber that is going to hold the chromosome during this cell division. Let's look at the diagram to further illustrate what we just understood. This is the metaphase. During this metaphase stage, the spindle fiber attaches to the chromosome, you can see. And the chromosome what? The chromosome assembles to the equator of the cell. This is the equator of the cell. You can see that during this prophase, the chromosome was scattered, okay? But during this metaphase, you can see that the chromosome now is now located around the middle. They are attracted to the middle of the cell, okay? The equator, the middle of the cell, the equator of the cell. So let's head straight into an